Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Conversation. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Jane. Today, we're going to practice English conversations about shopping and going to the store.
Whether you need to buy groceries, clothes, or other things, this episode will help you speak with confidence.
Let's get started.
Part 1. Full Grocery Store Conversation. Hi, Jame. I'm going to the grocery store today. I need to buy some fresh vegetables.
Hi, Lisa. That sounds good. What kind of vegetables do you want to buy?
I want to buy tomatoes, carrots, lettuce, and some cucumbers.
Great choices. Are you cooking a special meal?
Yes, I'm planning to make a big salad for dinner.
That sounds delicious. Do you know where the vegetables are in the store?
Usually, vegetables are near the entrance, but sometimes it's different.
True, some stores put the vegetables near the back to keep them fresh.
Right. I'll look carefully. Do you want to come with me?
I can't today, but I can help you make a shopping list.
That would be great. I also need to buy some fruits, like apples and bananas.
Good idea. Fruits are healthy and tasty snacks.
Yes, and I want to buy some bread and milk, too.
The bread is usually in aisle 5 or 6. Milk is in the refrigerated section near the dairy products.
Thank you. Do you know if they have any special offers today?
I'm not sure. You can check the store's website or look for signs inside the store.
Good tip. I want to save money if I can.
That's smart. Do you use coupons or discount cards?
Sometimes I use a discount card, but I forgot it today.
No worries. You can always ask the cashier if there are any deals.
Okay. How do you usually pay at the store?
I usually pay with a credit card or my phone using a mobile payment app.
That sounds convenient. I usually pay cash.
Both ways work fine. After you finish shopping, you just go to the cashier and pay.
I hope the line at the cashier isn't too long.
Sometimes it is, but if you're in a hurry, look for the express checkout lane.
Thanks, Jame. This was very helpful. I feel ready for my shopping trip now.
Great. Have a good time and enjoy your shopping.
Learning tip for listeners. When you go shopping, try to say, I want to buy. Where can I find? How much does this cost?
Part 2. Full clothes store conversation. Lisa, do you like shopping for clothes?
Yes, I do. I'm looking for a new jacket because the weather is getting colder.
That sounds smart. Do you have a style or color in mind?
I want a black or dark blue jacket, something warm but light.
Good choice. Black and blue go with many outfits.
Exactly. I also want a jacket with a hood.
That's useful, especially if it rains.
Yes. When I get to the store, what should I do first?
You can look around or ask a store assistant for help.
Where can I find the store assistants?
Usually they stand near the entrance or on the floor. You can say, "Excuse me, can you help me find a jacket?"
Okay, that sounds easy. What if I want to try on the jacket?
You can ask, "Where's the fitting room?" The fitting room is usually near the cashier or the back of the store.
Great. What size should I try?
You can try your usual size, but it's good to try one size bigger or smaller to see what fits best.
I usually wear medium or size 8.
Perfect. Don't forget to check the jacket's price tag before trying it on.
Good idea. What if I want to buy the jacket?
When you're ready, go to the cashier to pay.
Can I pay cash or card?
Yes, stores accept both cash and credit or debit cards. Some stores also accept mobile payments.
If the jacket doesn't fit well, can I return it?
Yes, but keep your receipt and check the store's return policy.
Thanks for the advice, Jame. I feel more confident to shop now.
You're welcome. Have fun shopping.
Learning tip for listeners. Use these phrases when shopping for clothes. Can you help me find? Where is the fitting room? What size do you recommend? How much does this cost? Part 3. Paying and questions conversation. Jame, I have some questions about paying for my shopping. Can you help me?
Of course, Lisa. What do you want to know?
How do I pay for my groceries or clothes at the store?
You can pay at the cashier counter. Usually the cashier is near the exit of the store.
What payment methods do stores accept?
Most stores accept cash, credit cards, debit cards, and mobile payments like Apple Pay or Google Pay.
Can I use my phone to pay?
Yes, mobile payment is very popular and easy to use. You just need to set it up on your phone.
What if I don't have enough cash or card with me?
Some stores have an ATM machine nearby where you can take out cash, or you can ask the cashier if you can pay another way.
Okay, that's helpful. What about returns? Can I return something if I don't like it?
Yes, you can return items, but stores usually have a return policy. It's important to keep your receipt.
How long do I have to return something?
It depends on the store. Some stores allow returns within 14 or 30 days.
I see. What if I lost my receipt?
Without a receipt, it's usually harder to return items. Some stores may offer store credit instead of a refund.
I see. Can I ask questions to the cashier?
Yes, the cashier can help you with questions about prices, payment, and returns.
What if I don't understand something the cashier says?
You can politely ask them to repeat or speak slowly. Say, "Can you please repeat that?" Or, "Could you speak slowly, please?"
That's good advice. Thanks, Jame.
You're welcome, Lisa. Shopping can be easy if you know what to say.
That's the end of episode 2 of Daily English Conversation.
We hope this episode helped you learn useful shopping English.
Practice these conversations and try to use them the next time you go shopping.
See you next time for another useful conversation.
Thanks for listening.